Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on badges in the app library on the iPhone. So, what are badges? Badges are, these little numbers in the top right corner of your specific application that shows you how many notifications you have from this specific application. So, I do have only badges on the Gmail, so as you can see, these are right here, but now in the app library, these are not like over here. As you can see, there are no badges right now. So if you want to turn this on, you want to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit to go to the home screen at app library, and here you have this option called notification badges show in app library. So you want to turn this feature on, and now as you can see, you're going to get badges in those specific applications, or so in that case they are going to sum up with this specific like a little folder. It's a folder in a folder because here are these 3 apps, and in those 4 there are a lot of more applications, as you can see. So this are going to sum up to give you the full amount of number of notifications. So this is how you can turn this feature off. If you want to turn this off, the same actions: go to the settings, swipe down, home screen and app library, and here just turn this feature off. So from this time you're not going to get any badges in the app library unless you go straight into some folder that there are applications. So here you're going to still get badges. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!